Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome back to my caravan channel. You know, what a difficult situation being in a lovely spot in a bush with your caravan near a good fishing spot or a good food-seeking spot and suddenly run out of water. What are you going to do? To refill you have to go miles away. That's why I'm going to install a water meter in my caravan now. So watch. The advantage of this meter, that's the one and I just bought. Actually, you don't need to drill anything in the tank. You just install next to your water pump and it will be telling you how many liters left in your caravan. As soon you press a button, you see the lines and it tells you how much water left. Then you can be careful and you'll be never run out with no warning. Good luck. Alors, this is the meter that comes in a box. What we got here? We got one meter. It's operated with battery, so you don't have to do installation in your caravan. And the sender is simple. This is the sender. The water comes this way and go this way. Just be careful not to put in the wrong spot. You have to put this little holder on the wall. See the little connector? Maybe you need to buy, like I did, an extension of 1 meter 30. What you have to buy? Simple. These connectors. Okay, that you'll be screwing that on both ends. Because I was a little bit skeptical to cut the water pipe, so I do a practice with a similar pipe. That's a pipe. So basically I'm practicing with a piece of the same size. All you have to put that in and push and hold. That's all. To remove, you click here. That's it. So the second test is see if I find the right tool to cut a neat cut. So I took this good sharp knife and say we have to cut here. Unbelievable. It cuts like butter and you got a very nice cut. Yeah. To be sure we'll have no leaks inside. That's what we don't want. I'll be putting around this plumber tape. And all I have to do is going up to the end. You can screw well. You don't have to screw too much because it's plastic, so be careful. Now I do the same on the second side. Easy. And remember, I'm not a plumber. First thing to do. All right, now we're going to cut the pipe, see what's happened. Firstly, you have to cut the water, of course, huh? cut the water. Yeah, just to be safer, I'll give them a little tight. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my hand is not too good. This one was okay. Yep, I think it's plenty. This is the pump. Okay. And this pipe, we're going to put the sander after here. Yeah, before removing this pipe, we'll have a little bit of water inside. So I'm going to put some tea towel to pump the water in case we had a leak. Firstly, we have to switch off the power of the pump. Okay, and then we're going to remove the little washer there. Okay, see what's happened. That's it. Beauty. Not too much water. By pushing the little valve there, I managed to remove the pipe. Okay, I'll be working on this pipe. It'll be more easy. I'm going to cut the pipe roughly there. Okay, and then I'll be inserting the so to be sure it will be this size. Okay, see the arrow, because the water is coming this way. Okay, but they don't tell you everything. When you cut the pipe, I realize, can you see there? You need that on the pipe. So if you cut and don't put it, you'll have a leak. And I'm lucky, I had in my garage an old pipe similar. So what I'm going to get back this little inlet in plastic, and I'm glad I got two ends. So I cut here, pipe, easy, good. So I got my two parts. I don't think many people will tell you about that, but I will. Okay, now the big cut here. Nice. Yeah, cut there. Nice done. Beautiful. No problem. Okay, the water going this way. Get sure that one end got a black dot, the black insert. Now I'm going to put a black insert there. You have to push a little bit hard. That's it. And now, just easy as that, I'll be inserting the pipe in here. All right, this one is ready. Now we're going to do the second one. Okay, I'll check if the arrow, yes, is pointing to the right direction. Otherwise we have to start all again. Now, okay, I have to connect this one. So I have to put this little insert in it, huh? You want to be sure, so I have to push it. Okay, yep, well done. This one is ready to insert. Okay, now that's it, insert. Okay, what I have to do just to plug again. Okay, I'm going to turn the pump on, see how it goes. The water is on, as you can see. Okay. I'm connecting the device now, and you will click. Okay, when you hear the click, you're in business. That's it. Now we're going to install later on. What you have to do, okay, put the battery in a little box. Easy as that. They give you two beautiful Toshiba battery. All right, they put as a toy. It's a toy. Okay, I got my battery. Put that back in the box. I can hear a little beep. We're going to see what that means. Okay, you got that in real time. Click here, click 1, 2, allez, I put 45, click. No, I made mistakes. You made a mistake, you go up again, 45, and then you click enter. When you hear the beep, you're in business. That means you have set up a tank that eventually contains 45 liters. Now I'm going to the sink and I'm going to turn on the water, see what's happened. As you can see, there's a little line flashing. That means we're using water, definitely. And you see, I have used already 1 liter. That's how it works. You don't have to switch off. It switches off automatically. Now I'm going to switch off my water. See what happened. See? The water stops, so the line stops moving, and eventually the machine switch off. Okay, the water meter. So like that, it does not use much battery. Great. Just find a spot there. No problem, we can open the door. Perfect. Then we put our little device. That's it. Nice and tidy. I'll put the water on again. Okay, 40 liters. Yep, all good. Yep, that's it. All good. Job done. Mission accomplished.